from PT Sinar Utama Furniture. I'd like to present about new product our company, and I hope all of able and get many advantages from this new product. And please give me time about 10 of 15 minutes. Thank you. Enjoy for our presentation. Profile company. PT Sinar Utama Furniture is business sector that use a unique and elegant furniture concept and its interior for product promotion and attract customer to the product it offers. For the presentation of each furniture product, we make standard model product, ordinary and unique models, as well as custom design according to customer desires. Vision and mission: to be the largest provider of unique and quality official interior design in Indonesia. Vision: 1. Providing official interior product as complete as possible, improving service of customer, opening branches in various cities, great and the other. 2. Producing quality furniture at a great price, affordable. The product is chair executive and has with variety ingredients. 1. Mesh material, advanced, elegant, and modern. 2. There is air circulation so that when used it does not feel hot. 3. Suitable for wide variety of body size. And 4. Stronger. And mesh material has division. 1. The friction between the clothes and the chairs will cause the clothes to greasy. And number 2, Jenny leather material has advantage, looks very luxurious. Jenny and durable leather, soft, give a classy impression, and has division. 1. Color limitation. The price is quite expensive. Must be smart in arranging the room. Next, type of material used: skin weaving, advantage, economical, price, available in various colors, division, stains easily, tear easily, skin knit, advantage, soft, can stretch, third as much, divisions, price are more expensive than woven fabric. It stretches third as much to allow the chair to change its shape. Vinyl leather, advanced, durable, easy to clean. There are many colors. Division, heat easily, not comfortable if not used in air-conditioned room. And next, synthetic skin, advantage, price are more economical than uni leather, easily to clean, durable, and division, difficult to distinguish from genuine leather, color limitation. Acrylic material, advantage, designs. I will explain to you strength for new product. 1. Material quality for super chairs. Number 1. Soft and comfortable. 2. Quality of wood for semi-thick table. Number 1. Strong, durable, and beautiful. 3. Super thick glass quality for table and does not break easily. 2. I will explain supplier of production material for our company PT Sinar Utama Furniture. Look at the PowerPoint. Supplier of production material PT Sinar Utama Furniture. 1. Wood material from Solo, Central Java. 2. Supplier stainless iron material from Tangerang. 3. Supplier fabric material from Bandung. We know some of the above suppliers well and have collaborated since 2015 from the very beginning of PT Sinar Utama Furniture, so there is no doubt about the quality of their materials. I will explain to you about information our company. Look at the PowerPoint. Enjoy. Next, for the marketing aspect, I will explain marketing aspect from PT Sinar Utama Furniture. 1. Product market: table, chairs, cupboard, doors, windows, glass, sideboard. 2. Target customer: office. 3. Marketing area: DKI Jakarta, Tangerang, Bandung, Semarang, Surabaya. Next, I will explain to promotion. 1. Marketing advertisement about furniture produced by PT Sinar Utama Furniture. 2. Provide an explanation of the product in official complex. 3. Provide discount 10% to customer even to first time ordering. 4. Provide online shopping site so that customer can easily access them. Next, for the price list, you can look at the PowerPoint price list. Next slide is mechanism payment. I will explain to you mechanism payment for PT Sinar Utama Furniture. The mechanism for the ordering payment is the partner company provide and purchase order letter in advance for us to arrange the order. Team procurement executive process for office, desks, and chair according to the request of the partner company. Order and delivery. 3. Payment process. 4. Do payment 30% at the beginning of the interior work process for the procedure of office desks and chairs. Repayment of the remaining 70% payment after completion of work. 5. Payment by account by company Bank BCA. Account Bank PT Sinar Utama Furniture. Account number and branch is Cengkareng, West Jakarta, and finish. So, I will to explain to you next slide. Product delivery procedure. PT Sinar Utama Furniture has its own tracking car, one Fuso car, and one open-top car, roof open. Product delivery for out of town we can send by using cargo service by air or sea with financing in accordance with receipt shipping from cargo service and home and borne by the customer, but we will charge tracking fee to send the product to the airport via air or Tanjung Priok via sea. Cargo company that we usually use for the shipping product out of town domestic is Dinamika Indo Nusantara, domestic cargo shipping service via air or sea. For the next, I will explain to you next slide. Comparison and advance for other company. 1. PT Sinar Utama Furniture offer discount even for first-time customer. 2. PT Sinar Utama Furniture from the material side, user quality materials number 1. 3. PT Sinar Utama Furniture provides product warranty within 5 years. 4. PT Sinar Utama Furniture provides furniture installation service and it is free of charge. 5. PT Sinar Utama Furniture really thinks about customer comfort. Next, for the slide 30. PT Sinar Utama Furniture make custom product design according to customer desires. 7. PT Sinar Utama Furniture give us very fast response to the heating process and even to complaints from customer fast response. 8. PT Sinar Utama Furniture product with minimal concept so that it doesn't seem excess but does not reduce its beauty in a room. 9. PT Sinar Utama Furniture products with very high quality materials but of affordable price. 10. PT Sinar Utama Furniture has the jargon, our customer are happy, we are happy. Next for the slide, last slide, customer benefit. I will to explain to you customer benefit. There are several advantages that we provide to customer when choosing PT Sinar Utama Furniture. 4. Place to meet the procurement of furniture needs as follow. 1. Provide warranty on product for 5 years from delivery. 2. Provide free shipping for the Jabodetabek area with a minimum order of 10 pieces. 3. Given 10% discount plus free ongkir Jabodetabek area for every 30 pieces. Shopping can be combined with other products. And thank you very much for our presentation. Now that's all. Thank you for your attention. If there is any question, I'm pleased to answer them with send purchase order later to our company. Thank you for the listening. My all those we have share be beneficial for all of us. Stay safe and healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.